Hello my friends, welcome to another video, and this time around we're going to talk about a pair of Bluetooth headphones, and these are the Bluedio Alfawise T6S. This is a pair of headphones under $50, and I received mine from gearbest.com, and this is how the packaging looks. Very nice, very clean. We get some info on the back of the box. So we have Bluetooth 5.0, 57mm drivers. We also get an estimated 350 hours of standby time. Of course, these are coming with active noise cancelling technology, so I'm very curious about this. About 32 hours of playtime, and this pretty much does it for all the information on the box. You can make and receive phone calls on these headphones also, so let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. And we are welcomed by the headphones, and they actually look really nice considering the price point. I'm gonna leave a link in the description of this video where you can go to gearbest.com and pick up these headphones or maybe other products. But construction wise, they look really nice. They don't feel too heavy. I wouldn't know what weight they have because I've not seen anything written on the box. But this is metal right here, and you also have the possibility to adjust them to the likes of your head. Very nice padding. It feels like leather, but it isn't leather. I think it's synthetic leather. These are over-the-ear headphones, and there's a lot of padding right here where the headphones rest on your head. So I'm very curious about long-term and prolonged sessions of using the headphones. On the right cup we have the power on button. Let's turn them on. Yeah, they still have battery. And we also have a switch for the ANC. As you can see right here, you can turn on or turn off the ANC. You also get a USB Type-C port for recharging, and overall I do like the feel, the weight, and also, if you want, the choice of materials that these headphones present. Let's put them aside and let's see what else comes in the box. We get a small box with accessories. And inside we get a USB Type-C cable for recharging the headphones, and also a carrying pouch that looks and feels like velvet, which is very curious. And also it's split in two. Very nice touch, if you ask me. So this is in the box, and of course a quick startup guide and some instructions in multiple languages, how to turn them on, how to pair them with your smartphone or I don't know, whatever device you are using, and stuff like that. Things that I don't actually read, to be honest with you. Very nice packaging, very nice headphones, if you ask me. These are called the Bluedio Alfawise T6S, and they are part from the Turbine collection, which to my knowledge was a very well received collection from this manufacturer, and from what I've read on the internet and seen on YouTube also, they received actually a lot of praise for the audio quality and also for if you want their endurance. So this pretty much does it for this quick unboxing. I'm gonna give you my full review in about 1 week after I test them, I use them, to see how battery life fares, how audio quality is, and also if the ANC is actually something that works great on this pair of quite cheap headphones. See you in the next one. Until then, as always my friends, be safe, be good.